he talks about American society depicts more on nature here. And he also talks about here there is no trade or employment, but the young man following it may become a hero. Very important is there is no object so soft that it makes a hub of wheeled universe. Now he talks about there is no trade or employment here. That is the phase where America, after the Civil War, is trying to get back to normalcy. Jobs were not easy to find, but there's a lot of compassion around. People help each other. The presence of God, the omniscient, is found everywhere, and He does not want mankind to cross and examine the mystery of omnipresent. He gives his own example. For example, he always feels the presence of God in everything, in the tiny object, in the world, in people whom he come across. Then he wants to readers to accept that the fact that every time, every minute thing which God has created has God in them. This is what he talks about in this poem. Now, there is no object of soft. I'm reading line number 8 and 9. 8 1. There is no object or so soft that it makes a hub for wheeled universe. This is the time where industrial revolution started, you know, coming at a very fast pace to America. It started off in Britain, and there was a craze for industrial revolution, and people started um getting jobs in small factories and other places where they could be employed here. As I say, man or woman, the soul, and let your soul stand cool, composed below before a million years. Now, there was a time where men did not get work. Women also had to contribute to the domestic work as well as they have to go out. So that is not actually unheard of, because America in this late 18th century, women were shown to their places that they belong to the four walls of the house. But since the man of the house who has to earn the bread was not able to work, and there is equality in men and women according to Whitman's writings, because strong writings influence of men and women are equal. So women, excuse me, also started coming out. So he says that man and women are one soul, and these souls, they are the ones who comprised of American people. And I say to mankind, be not curious about God, for I, who am curious about each, am not curious about God. Now, why are you not curious about God? Because God is omniscient. It is everything created by God in nature is made by Him. So you are more closer to God by touching whatever is um, made by Him. So the curiosity should be there in every element of life which God has created. So no array of terms. That means what? Arrangements. Array of terms means arrangements can be seen how much I am at peace about God and about death. Because we are born into this world. Understand, you enjoy God. And the main purpose of you coming into this earth is also because of God. And after, when you die, also is because of God, because the person who have brought you to this earth also has to, who is also responsible for taking you out of this world. So death and birth. So there is, this is, he talks about the life cycle of mankind. So people have to be born and people have to die. So God is responsible for that. Why should I wish to see God better than this day? I see something of God every hour of 24 hour, each moment. Then that means what? God is seen everywhere. God is omniscient. He has created all these, so that naturally you can see uh, God in every moment. Okay, in the faces of men and women, I see God, and in my own face of glass. That means what? Glass is the reflection. So you can see the reflection of you. That means also through you, you can see God. God is there within you. I find letters from God dropped in the street and every one signed by God's name. It is not we are talking about literal letters which come from heaven. No, we are talking about everything that God has made. There is a purpose in his life, and whatever he has made, it is understood that it is he who made. So the name of God is seen in that. And I leave them where you are. I know wherever so I go, others will punctually come forever and ever. So if you want, a beautiful conclusion he gives here about the journey of where you have to follow the life cycle, the journey in which wherever you go, you can feel the God's presence, and you should also be grateful that you are living in a democratic America where you are celebrating the universal brotherhood. So here he talks about the soul and the body, one and the same, and both are created by God who is omniscient. With that, I conclude. Any questions, Leena ma'am or anybody, Rita?
Girls, if you all have doubts, you all can ask ma'am now.
Ma'am, I have a
Ma'am?
doubt, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
ask
tell
it,
me.
Tina.
Yeah, Tina, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
Uh, uh, Ma'am, soul and the body is same, no, ma'am. But if you have a body only, then you can have a soul.
The body is the literal body you're talking about, made of flesh and blood and all that. And a
Yeah.
body cannot function without a soul.
Yeah.
Okay. The soul moves from one body to another. There is no ending for the soul. There is no death for the soul. So what he says here is the soul. He talks about the life cycle of mankind. Understand, the
Okay,
soul,
ma'am.
when the body dies, the soul enters into another body, giving birth to another human being.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
therefore, God, soul, and body are all the same, and it is
Okay.
created by God Himself. And
Okay,
God is
ma'am.
present everywhere. So you have to look at every minute detail. Be grateful that we are looking at the thing which God has created. So at every
Okay.
line of His, He makes us to remember that the wonderful creations made by God.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am,
Any other?
ma'am, I have a
Yeah.
doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that and to glance with an eye or show that line I can't understand.
Which is that line? Which one is that?
Um,
A
seventh
number?
line. Ma'am.
Seventh one. There is no trade. There is and see,
Not that one.
you go back to the, always remember when you're reading that, go back to the previous line. See, a dime may purchase the pick on the earth. That means what you may earn. You're working, and for your hard work you're being paid. Okay, a dime is 10 cents of American coin and currency. To
Ma'am, is
glance
it a
with an
currency?
eye. Yeah,
Is
dime is
cents?
an American currency. Even till today, it's called American diamonds. Even till today, it is very much present. It is called 10-cent coins because
Okay.
America works on coins. Unless you put a coin, you don't get anything there. Even till today, your future aspirants of America, no, all of you,
Not sure, ma'am.
not sure. Okay, so a dime may purchase the pick of the earth, and to glance with an eye and show a bean in its pod. That means what? When you're looking at a coin, okay, when you're looking at a beautiful, the birth of the vegetable, the bean from its pod, confounds the learning of all times. That means what? He draws analogies here. He draws about how the minting of the coin is also a part of American democracy. I was just thinking. So someone's question I'm answering.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I start or shall I wait?
Subhashini's, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 7 of them have
yeah, yeah,
come.
yeah, yeah. Okay,
Maybe they'll just come.
no
You can
problem. I'll
start,
wait.
ma'am, because
No,
she's
I'll
here,
wait. I'll wait.
Subhash.
No problem.
Okay. can start, ma'am. I think they'll join in, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here he talks about how important is, the birth of an American currency, because you're talking about America and you're talking about American currency here, how important it is, the birth of that. And also it is so wonderful to see the birth of a bean pod. So every small thing which enters into a life is beautiful. So you have to enjoy even the minute details of life and celebrate it. That is his key word there. Any other doubts?
Thank you.
Any doubts, girls? Please ask.
Actually, I particularly want to start with the opening line, because the opening line of these poems is very, very important. There is a biblical allusion here. I think very important here. I have said, see the word I have said, it is alliteration, continuously talking, and I you can find. If you have to read the poem not line by line, because there is a continuity of reading. See, for example, I have said that the soul is not more than the body, comma, and I have said that the body is not more than the soul. It's like the body and the soul are same. Important, there's no difference between that. So he talks about how important are they connected with each other, and both the body is nothing but the soul. So without the soul, the body cannot flourish or thrive. So, and these two are made by God himself. So the presence of God is being felt, and you should celebrate the body. As I told you in my previous this one, that how important is a body to him. He has worked very close, connected with the body, and celebrating the body is very important for him. And here he talks about the soul, which is a part of the body, and these two are connected to God. So if you are connected to God, that means you are with God, closeness, proximity to God. That's what he talks about.
Girls,
Yeah.
anything else? Any other doubt?
We can end it up formally if you want, otherwise.
Yeah.
And any other doubts also, ma'am, I'm ready to, just give me one day time. Monday we can, if you want, I can clarify their doubts, because Tuesday I'm going to college. Any other doubts they have, they can ask me and let me know tomorrow or day after in my previous sections.
Atina, you wanted to say something before we conclude formally? Atina?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Good evening, teachers. Good evening, teachers. One and all present here. I am Martina Priya from Bishop Cotton Union Christian College, second year SPE BA. Ma'am, thank you for this opportunity, for Leena ma'am and Rita ma'am, for giving us this wonderful section for interaction with Sushila ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us most detailed explanation of each poems. Though Rita ma'am and Leena ma'am taught us many things we didn't know about the teachings and everything, and the lesson part wise. Thank you so much, ma'am. Indeed, we are so blessed to have you here in the evening. Thank you so
It's
much,
my
teachers,
pleasure.
for
It's
this
my
opportunity.
pleasure.
Thank you, Leena
It's my
ma'am. Thank you,
pleasure.
Rita ma'am.
I
Yeah.
thank the students of the sweet girls of Leena ma'am and Rita ma'am and Suvina. I think she's not there. Okay, for having patiently listened to me all these sessions. And it's a pleasure to be associated with you. I profoundly thank the English department and Leena ma'am, who's a great friend of mine.
Yeah.
And teaching is in our blood. There's no doubt about it. So I think whatever I could share it with you, it has always been a pleasure. And American literature, which is the part of the syllabus, I think I've been doing this for a long time. And any student, doesn't matter whether I'm in Jyoti Nivas College or whether you're in Bishop Cottons, we are connected by souls here. So thanks to Leena ma'am, who has given me an
One
opportunity
last
to express
thing.
myself.
Yeah.
And Rita, of course, Yes, ma'am. And also Suvina, I really thank you. It's always a pleasure to be associated with you.
Yeah, one formal vote of thanks. Yes, Ruchi is there to give it because Bulik is not there, so she's there now. Ruchi,
No
yeah,
problem, ma'am.
yeah.
No
Ruchi,
problem. Yes, Ruchi, I can see you. A nice smile. Yes. Can't hear, can't hear.
can't hear Ruchi.
Let me increase my one.
No, can't hear.
No, audio is it's audio.
I
It's not
think.
audible.
Ah.
Audio. Come closer to the mic, Ruchi. Come closer to the
Unmute
mic, dear.
yourself.
Unmute, dear. Oh, the tech savvy. Rita, what are we getting into the digital world?
Ruchi, you've unmuted her. Check.
I can't hear. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Ma'am,
we can't
she's
hear,
removed
ma'am.
only, ma'am.
Huh?
It's on. Both the video and audio is on for her.
Ma'am,
But
now
why
it's
we
audible.
can't hear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Now I
yeah, now we
can
can
see
hear.
her
Yeah.
clearly.
Um,
Athena also spoke well. Yes. Now let me hear Ruchi. Yes,
yeah,
Ruchi.
good evening, everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to spell a few words of thanks to Dr. Sushila B, Assistant Professor of Jyotinivas College, who has time and again taken a few hours from a busy schedule to share with us her knowledge and insight on literature. She has not just explained us to the things that were already penned down on the textbook, but instead took us a step ahead by explaining us the situation in those eras and why poets and writers wrote what they wrote. Each writing doesn't have a singular analysis, doesn't of it. It all depends on the perspective of person reading them. In something she has taught us all through her teaching, she has enlightened us with her knowledge, and for that the entire Department of English. Bishop Cotton Women's Christian College is greatly thankful to her. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so. Thank you so. So sweet of you. So
Thank you so much, Ushila, ma'am. We could
Rita,
really see
Thank
your
you.
let them
passion.
all see me. Let them all see me. Let me wave at them.
Can you all show your pretty faces to ma'am so that she'll come back to you again next year? And they were
Always
asking
was
me
a
that
pleasure.
they want you again for Indian writing in English next year.
Most
So
We are
I
welcome.
waiting to
promised
see you,
them.
ma'am, again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see all of them. Hi, girls. It's always, I told you, a pleasure to be associated with you. Anything, anytime. Just put a word to Leena, ma'am, and we'll connect. It's great to know you all. Understand? I think all the girls are there. Anyone who has missed out, I think I requested Leena, ma'am, to
Yeah,
do the
yeah,
recording.
it is recorded, so they
Yes, ma'am, because Whitman is
for it.
not an
Yeah.
easy person to understand. Emerson, Whitman, and okay. So thank you, Atina. Thank you, Ruchi, and thank you the rest of the girls, classmates. Hi,
Always,
girls.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I think you
When I
can
come,
relax now.
I'll come and see you personally when ma'am invites me to the college.
Yeah, we
And
have to
so,
have a.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
for
you
giving
so
me an
much, ma'am.
opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.